back to my channel, and today's video, as the title says, is going to be my Amazon haul. I have bought some groceries and I've ordered some essential items. In this video you can see two or three different timings of filming this haul. That's because right now, if you see, I have some items over here which is already arrived from Amazon, and I still have a lot of items on its way to my home. So I'll be doing the haul in a separate day and then joining it with this current haul. And if you wonder why I look a little bit dull, that's because I'm a little bit sick. So that is why I'm here without any makeup. So without any further delay, let's unbox whatever groceries I have got right now. The first box is already open, and this is a tiny box among the things I've got. I have my Del Monte spaghetti. This is the whole wheat spaghetti from Del Monte, and I kind of love the texture of this particular brand. So I bought two of them. So these are the spaghetti. The prices I'll put it down below, and the next one is this small packet. Okay, this is my shorts. This is actually loungewear shorts from the brand Shyla. Shyla is a brand which you will get in Big Bazaar, I think. So I really like the quality, and this is what I got. This is actually a bigger size than me. I generally fit in large, but since this is loungewear clothing, I took XL so that it's a little more free flowy and nice. Even if your waist is a little bit looser, you have the strings to tie it, so that's the good thing. Quality is really good, and it's not transparent. The cloth is very thick. And the next thing I have is, oh my god, it's a very huge box of stuff. So okay, this is the heaviest box. So this is the heaviest box I have. Let's try and unbox this. These two boxes are from the pantry section. So this is Ashirwad Atta. I think it's, it's completely covered with dust. This is the 5 kg atta which we generally use for roti and stuff. So that's from Ashirwad, and it's so damn dusty. Next item is again from the grocery, and it's again one more heavy box. Look at it. It comes in compartments. So the first thing I can see is my snack. I am not a snack kind of person. I do not eat snacks. I have stopped eating junk long time ago. Junk in the sense chips and stuff. So this is the first time I'm buying something of this sort from the snack section. So when I ordered pantry, it wanted me to add items for delivery, so I thought I'll add this. So this is nothing but picnic, which is a potato chips with tomato chili flavor. This is actually my this reminds me of my school days where I eat a lot of it. I really like the flavor. Next item is from the brand called Vedka. This is the gram flour or besan. So this is that. Yeah, this is 1 kg of besan. Next one is this one. This is nothing but veg mayonnaise and garlic flavor from Fun Foods Dr. Oetker. And I generally don't buy mayonnaise. I make mayonnaise at home, because I like the flavor of the original classic egg mayonnaise. So sometimes I am a bit lazy and I don't, you know, make it. So that's the time I use this. I really like mayonnaise with garlic. That's my favorite type of mayonnaise. So I bought this one. I'm not sure how it tastes. This is the first time I'm buying this. So let's try and see. Next set of items came in a cover like this. Okay, these items are fragrance items, so that is why it came in a separate car. So first one is this one. This was an offer, that is why I decided to buy this. This is the Vaseline Intensive Deep Restore with pure oat extract lotion. It's a non-greasy version. I think this is 600 ml. It was on discount. That is the time I bought this. That is why I bought this. Okay. Next item is a refill. It's a hand wash from Palmolive. We have installed the hand wash dispenser in every part of our house. So we require a lot of hand wash. We just wash our hands frequently, especially this Rona time. So I have run out of all my Palmolive previous purchases. I never do these hauls. I do buy a lot of groceries from Amazon and essentials from Amazon, but I do not do any hauls. This is the first time I'm doing it. So if you like to see more of these hauls, just let me know by hitting that like button, so that I'll be making more of these hauls in future, because I do buy a lot from Amazon. So this is the hand wash. It's the Luminous Oils hand wash. This is the first time I'm buying this particular fragrance. It does smell good, but let's see how it lasts. This has macadamia oil with peony. So this is nothing but the Dove Deeply Nourishing Body Wash. This was also on discount, that is why I bought this. And I have heard a lot about Dove original body wash without any fragrance. So this is the original version, which I really like, especially for sensitive parts. So that is why I bought. This is the first time I'm buying Dove body wash, and I'm gonna try it. This is pretty big and it will last long. So this is the second day, or the second time I'm filming the continuation of this haul. So I have opened 2 packages which came in between, because it was a little bit urgent for my mom. So this is the one I bought first, which is nothing but the potato starch from the Korean store. So I wanted to make Korean fried chicken. So in the recipe they made it with potato starch, so I thought I need to get it. So I bought that. So this is the one I bought from Amazon. The next thing which I opened is again kalonji, which is nothing but black seed, just to make oil for my hair. As you can see, after smoothing, my hair has grown a lot. So these are my original, virgin hairs, and from here it is the smoothened hair. So it's growing. Let's start with the first packaging. This is one box, which is quite noisy. Okay, so I have my foundation. This is nothing but the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation, and I got it in the shade 320 Honey, a little bit darker shade. Next we have something like this, which is a huge package. I forgot what was there inside it. The only annoying part in Amazon is they ship your goods in a different packages, and it reaches you in a different days, and you have a lot of boxes and a lot of things piling up. So the next thing we unboxed is this one. This is the Kellogg's Muesli, and it's 20% Nut Delight. So this is the favorite type of muesli I like. I do not have this for breakfast as such. This is something which I have whenever I feel like having a snack or something, so that I don't indulge in unhealthy foods. So that is why I bought this. We have a small packaging, something like this. So I got something like this. This is nothing but my loungewear bottoms. It's a shorts from the brand called Femora. This is the brand. This is the pattern. Cloth is pretty good, I would say. It's not see-through. It's comfortable. The FBB one, the Shyla FBB one, is the most better quality. I really like the pattern and the color. That is why I bought it. So yeah, let's open the next one. Yeah, the next product is this. This is the Wow Red Onion Black Seed Oil Shampoo. This is for my mom. She wanted it, so that is why I ordered it. She was waiting for me to open the packages and get things out so that she can use it. So finally she can use this. So this is for my mom. I would let you know how this works. More packaging, which is the last packaging for this particular day. So it's again a tiny package, something like this, which is annoying, guys, literally annoying. Every day, see, each day I'm getting around 2 packages, 3 packages comes, and from different courier boy and in different times. It's a bit annoying to get packages. So you order, you place it as one single order and you get it as if you ordered it 4-5 times. The vitamin C capsules, this is the 3rd bottle. So I'm making sure that I always have a vitamin C tablet or supplement which is in my house every day, so that my family can have it. Even I do take it. So this is a particular this particular brand is something I'm using right now, and this is the 3rd bottle. It's not a gummy, it's more like a tablet, which is orange color tablet, and you need to take it every day, one every day after food. So I generally prefer taking it after my breakfast, or sometimes or mostly I do forget taking it after breakfast and I remember it after my lunch. So that's the time I take it. So I would take it without fail every day, and this actually helps you to improve your immune system, and also it is a good antioxidant for you. So that's that. This is from the brand called Nutracology, and you get 60 tablets. It comes around 1 month for me because I and my dad uses it, and sometimes my mom. So that's that. Hello, this is new setup and again a new day. I have a lot of packages inside this particular bag that I'm yet to receive 2 to 3 items, but I'm not sure that I'm going to show those items in the haul because it's getting pretty late for them to bring it up. So yeah, so this is the first item. I don't know what is in here. It's really heavy. So let's open it. The item I have here is this huge bottle of peanut butter from the brand called Pintola. The bottle is a bit teda because it is damaged from, I think, the transit. It's a plastic bottle which is literally flimsy. This is 100% peanut butter is what they said, and it is healthy. It's actually organic, creamy and unsweetened peanut butter. Ignore my hair situation. So yeah, so it's a huge bottle, and not sure about the taste. I'll update you on my Instagram about this, so stay tuned on my Instagram. So this is the first item. Next item is in this huge cover. So the item in this cover is my green tea. So I bought 2 green tea bottles, each 250 gram. I bought 2 bottles of green tea. It's Society Premium Green Tea. This is one of my favorite green tea because it has that natural taste of the green tea which is missing in the tea bags, and also the other teas I have tried, like Lipton and Tetley. Tetley is far better than Lipton, but Lipton I feel like it's too light. Even if you put one spoonful of green tea leaf, I don't get the taste of green tea. This one is literally tastes like the original version of green tea, how a green tea should taste. So that is why I'm consistently buying this. I have already emptied 250 grams of the bottle, so this is the second try. This particular product will be out of stock mostly, so whenever I see this and whenever I feel like my second bottle of the green tea is going to be over, I will be ordering this. So that's that. So the next item has come something like this. Is the stainless steel skewer. So lately I'm very much into paneer, tikka. So for that I manage with my toothpick and I manage with whatever skewer kind of thing I had, but I feel like it is more time consuming, especially when you're trying to do individually with a toothpick. So finally I invested in this skewer. We have 3 skewers inside this. The handle is wooden and you have the stainless steel skewer. It's literally very sharp. Next item is in the small tiny box, so let's try to open it. I hate the smell of the cardboard box which Amazon sends. The WOW activated charcoal peel off mask. I'm intending to do a separate video and test this particular peel off mask, whether it is taking off my blackhead and stuff. So it says it detoxifies skin, remove blackheads, reduce age signs. Not sure about the other two, but I'm going to surely test about the blackheads. So I'm going to do the first impression in a separate video, so stay tuned. The next item, as you can see, the condition is not so good to see. I'm not sure what item is inside this and I'm worried if it is damaged or not. Okay, this was one of the items which I expected to come early, but it took a very long time to arrive. It's nothing but my matcha tea. So this is from the brand called Kimi no Matcha. I already used once. I love the taste of this particular matcha, so that's why I bought. It had different variants, a premium and some other variants. Ordinary variant, I think it's called organic hand-picked green tea powder, Japanese green tea powder. So it's actually a little bit on the costlier side. Of course, matcha, good quality matcha is towards the expensive side. So this is the second packet of it. I think this has around 50 gram of product. I know it's a really tiny amount and it cost around 900 or something. And this came with this particular the bamboo whisker for matcha. It's really essential, I feel, because my normal whiskers are not mixing the matcha well. The item came in something like this. This is Twinings, I think that's how you call this. Twinings Pure Chamomile Infusion. It's a chamomile tea in general. It has around 20 to 25 tea bags of chamomile tea, and the reason I bought this is because past few months I'm having period cramps, very bad period cramps, and what I heard is this particular chamomile tea will help you reduce your period cramps and make you feel better. So that is why I ordered this. I have tried chamomile tea from Organic India where they have tulsi infused in it, but I really hated the taste of that particular variant. I hope this particular tea tastes better because it's pure chamomile, and I think this will help me also reduce my period cramps. So the next item came in something like this. So this is the next item, which is nothing but my tea tree oil from the Beauty Co. I have emptied a lot of tea tree oil and I already have a tea tree oil from Beauty Co. I'm nearly going to complete this particular thing, so I ordered one more as a backup. It's from Havita, the brand. It's a natural hair care conditioner, shikakai powder. It's for my mom. So this is how it looks like. Last tiny item I have is in this box. My favorite and my holy grail product, which I used to use few years ago, a couple of years ago, is from Oriflame. It's their milk and honey gold sugar scrub. I really love this scrub for my face. It was making my face smooth and it improved my facial texture, to be frank. I don't know why I stopped using it. No idea why, because I might be distracted by some other product. So this is my favorite scrub for my face. And yeah, I'm back to this. It actually smoothens your skin, as it says in the packaging. And I have one more huge packaging which has to be unboxed, but I'm going to unbox that particular package in a separate video, because it's gonna be a dedicated video for that with a full-on review of that product. So I'm not going to open it in this video, so stay tuned on my channel for that video to come. It will surely be useful for you guys. If you enjoyed this particular video, make sure you hit that like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed till now. See you on my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.